Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else can do. That's why I'm.
Hey ladies and gents, it's your girl LaceMeLemon back at you with another video. So today we have a promo wig from Alley Pearl. This was a 13 by 4 24-inch large cap size 180% density wig. I love this wig. When I tell y'all this install was so flawless, like look at the hairline. I went in, I bleached the knots, I did a little bit of plucking, and this is HD lace, by the way, HD lace. And look how it blends in with my skin already, and I haven't even blended it in. So right now I just went in and cut off my ear tabs, and I'm going to go ahead and lay the glue. I am using Erica J's glue. Like the lace on this wig was so good, y'all. Like it blended in so well. And this was a wet and wavy wig, or was it deep wave? I'm gonna go back and look and make sure that I give you guys the correct description on what wave pattern this was. So yes, you guys, it is deep wave. This is a 24-inch deep wave wig, 13 by 4 lace closure. Again, deep wave. And when I tell y'all this wave pattern was like it, when you see the end of this video, I'm pretty sure you saw it in the beginning clip, it is it. So you want to make sure you put down, I did about 4 layers of glue because I wanted my wig to last. I was going out that weekend, so I made sure I did about 4 layers of glue, and I let that glue turn clear, as you're going to see in the next clip. Make sure your glue is turning clear. Like I see a lot of people that lay the lace down when the glue is like white. Do not do that. Don't do it. You're just going to make a hot mess. That should be the #1 rule of all that everybody already knows, is let that lace glue turn clear. See how clear that is? Like clear, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put my lace in place. It is harder when you're doing it yourself, on yourself. Like it is way harder. Like this is not easy at all, you guys, but we make it look easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay my lace down into my glue, and I'm gonna take my comb and I'm gonna just press lightly into my lace so it can stick real good, and I'm gonna blow dry it again and let that glue continue to cure. While that is going on, I'm just going in, checking, looking around, making sure that every piece is down. I like to cut my lace off with scissors, you guys. Like those are my best friends. I love scissors. Like I tried the whole razor thing. I do that in and out. It really don't matter to me, to tell you the truth, but I just use scissors because that's always the first thing that I initially grab. So as you can see, I'm lifting that lace up a little bit to see where that glue stops, and I'm just cutting that lace off. You will see a white residue right there from my skin protectant. Another thing, make sure you guys use your skin protectant. Please use a skin protectant. So I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to tune in and out and let you guys, you know, about the special areas, but it's so repetitive with these wig installs. I'm gonna make sure I do a talk through video too. So just go ahead, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit.
So now that we have that lace down, you guys, I am now looking at my wig to see how I want to style it. The great thing about this wig from AliPro is, like I said at the beginning, it has a 13 by 4 parting space. So basically, you can basically like style this wig any way you want. Like basically, like make sure you guys cop this wig. This is a true 13 by 4 at that. Like a true 13 by 4 parting space, not the little parting spaces that some of the wig has. Like, nah, this is full, baby. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and part out my baby hairs. I'm going to flat iron them downward just to get them out of the way so that I can go ahead and start styling my wig. Make sure you guys get a flat iron. I mean, hot comb. Make sure you guys get a hot comb. Make sure, because I see some people saying you don't need one, but you really do. At this point, I'm going in. I'm doing a little bit more plucking. Since I'm going to go for a certain style, as you've seen in the beginning, the half up, half down. So with that ponytail, you want to make sure you do some plucking. Like, make sure you pluck it because you don't want your hairline to look so full. So I left out a little bit of hair on the side to give it that fullness when I put it in the ponytail. And I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair going to cross to cover that track in the back. You want to make sure you always cover that track in the back, you guys. So as you can see, this next clips, I'm basically going to be styling my ponytail how I want to. And I'm going to show you guys a little tip on getting a full ponytail.
You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit.
Now it's everyone's favorite part, the baby hairs. So I have this new technique now I use with my baby hairs, arrogant Tate technique. I go ahead and I curl them back with a curling iron, and I love curling them. It just makes them fall in place like so much better. Like it makes it so much easier. And as you can see, I use mousse to mold my baby hairs. You want to be quick with this. Like, you do not want to take your time with this because baby, your lace will lift. Like, that's just the bottom line to it. I don't care what you do, whatever. If you take your slow time with this mousse, your baby hair will lift. I don't care if you're using a specific brand of mousse or whatever. Like, I've tried it all, and your lace, will lift if you do not move swiftly. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and put some wrapping strips down to hold my baby hairs down, and I'm going to get under the dryer for like 10 minutes. So right now it's the styling of the ponytail. I went ahead and I molded my ponytail, and I'm wrapping one bundle of a deep wave around that ponytail. This gives me the fullness that I want. I do not like the little skimp ponytail, you know, when it's real small. I hate that. So, and my head is too big for that little ponytail in the top. So I go ahead and I wrap the ponytail around, and this time I'm doing my wraparound. Right here, I'm doing my wraparound, and I put some glue on my wraparound just so it won't fall down or get loose, because I've seen plenty of cases where it gets loose. So to just kill that, go ahead and place some glue there and wrap it around your ponytail. If you're concerned about the little glue spots, you're not going to see them after they dry. And then you could take black spray and go ahead and spray over that anyway, and you won't even be able to see it. So I wanted to do like a high ponytail in the top. So as you can see, I'm just wrapping those pieces around, and I got this piece from the back of the ponytail basically, and I just went ahead and wrapped it around. And you're going to see me take some holding spray and spray that, and take my finger and just mold the hair into place basically. And as you can see, this is my ponytail, and it is full, honey. It is not little, or you know, like a pencil, like I would say. And I'll make this requirement for my clients too. They have to bring one bundle for the half up, half down styles. So now that my edges are done drying, I'm going to go ahead and comb them out, and I'm going to begin to pluck them to make them a lot thinner and to look more natural. We know it's a wig, but we're going for a more natural look. I don't want it to look like a wig. So I love soft baby hairs. That's all I do now, basically, is soft baby hairs. I don't do too much gel baby hairs. I may use holding spray sometimes, most of the time, to like get them to form, but other than that, I don't do gel at all. So as you can see right now, I'm just basically styling, like perfecting it, you know, styling how I want to. And now this is the spraying all the water, you guys, on that hair. Make sure you coat your hair in like a good bit of water. I like to spray a lot of water on my hair, and then I get under the dryer, and voila, you guys, like, look at this wig. It is beautiful. Like, I absolutely love it. Make sure you guys go get this wig from Ali Pearl Hair. The description is in the box below, and the link for this wig. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, you guys. Comment below on what other videos you want to see, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.